Inside the Milky Way, different layers of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is a vast and complex structure composed of several distinct layers. Here are the different layers of the Milky Way galaxy. Central bulge. At the core of the Milky Way is a dense, spherical region known as the central bulge. It contains a high concentration of stars, dust, and gas, and it is thought to host a supermassive black hole at its center. Disk. Surrounding the central bulge is the galactic disk, which is a flattened, rotating region where most of the stars, gas, and dust in the galaxy reside. The disk is divided into several components, including the thin disk and the thick disk. Thin disk. The thin disk is the main component of the galactic disk and contains young stars, star-forming regions, and planetary systems like our solar system. It is where most of the galaxy's ongoing star formation occurs. Thick disk. Above and below the thin disk is the thick disk, which contains older stars and exhibits a thicker distribution compared to the thin disk. The thick disk is thought to have formed earlier in the galaxy's history. Spiral arms. Extending from the galactic disk are the spiral arms, which are regions of increased star density, gas, and dust. These arms are where star formation is particularly active, and they give the Milky Way its characteristic spiral shape. Halo. Surrounding the entire galaxy is the galactic halo, a spherical region that extends beyond the disk. The halo contains old stars, globular clusters, and dark matter. It is less dense than the central bulge and disk and plays a role in the galaxy's overall structure and dynamics. These layers together form the complex and dynamic structure of the Milky Way galaxy, with each layer contributing to its overall appearance and behavior.